Hi, I'm going to show you a quick tech tip to help you learn something new today. So we're going to look at using Task in Gmail and Calendar. Task is a neat little feature available from both Gmail and Calendar, Google Calendar. And so here I am in my Gmail account. And if I go over here to Mail and I click on the Mail, the drop-down arrow beside the Mail, I can go to Task, and it brings up this little task bar here. And there's a lot of things I can do with it, but this is just a quick tech tip, so I'm just going to show you that if I click on plus, I can add a task. So I'm going to say buy dog food, and if I click on this arrow right here, I can decide some things about that. So here I have this little checklist that says buy dog food, and so this can be a grocery list or whatever, but I want to say that I want to buy dog food by Thursday. I want to be able to buy my dog food by Thursday. Right now in this account I just have one list, but you can have multiple lists as well. So I've got buy dog food, and I want to buy dog food on July 2nd. Then I just hit back to list, and so here on my list you'll see that I have one thing that is completed, this Gmail assessment, and I have one thing that's that I need to do, which is buy dog food. So it's always nice to be able to create a list and then check off the list as you get things done. So that's very cool. The other thing that you can do is if you've got a message that has some kind of action that you need to remember or do something with. So I've got this email here that says meeting tomorrow. And if there's something in that, maybe there's some kind of information about the meeting that I need to know, I can click on the arrow right up here where it says more, and I can say add to task. And so now I have this meeting tomorrow, and it's the email is attached to it. So then I could put when the meeting is, and this is not correct, but I'm just going to put this in here, and then I click back to list. So now when I look at my list, I have my meeting, and I also have the email that goes along with that reminder. So that's another nice little feature with Google Task. So here's another really cool thing. So here's what it looks like in your Gmail. But if you move over to your calendar, you'll notice that the things that I added in my Gmail are showing up here as task in my calendar, which is really nice. I've got my task right here, and I can add to my task in just the same way I did in Gmail, but I can also check off my tasks right in my calendar as I finish them. So you'll see if I buy dog food, I click it off, and it also comes off here, and it would also, eventually I have to refresh the list here, it would also mark off there. So that's Google Task. You can use it for all kinds of just organization. You can have multiple lists for, so you can organize by list, and it works with your Gmail and with your calendar.